Hello everyone, welcome back and Guruji. In this class, we'll understand JVM, Java Virtual Machine, its architect in simple way, right? JVM. Then what is JVM? Okay, what is JVM? JVM is responsible for executing Java program, right? What stands for JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. We can't see in your eyes. JVM is the part of JRE, right? Java program. Okay, developer written once that code only translate into bytecode into machine language of your computer, right? How Java runs, this is the first question come in your mind, right? You write Java code, that extension file will be java compiler, java c. We are writing in command prompt Java C that converts into bytecode dot class file, right? Bytecode is like universal language that JVM understands. JVM loads the bytecode, check itself safety, prepares it, and then execute it. JVM can either interrupt the code line by line or use just-in-time compilation to make faster. You can see this diagram. Here you are writing demo.java file. That demo.java file, whenever you write Java C demo.java, that time this demo.java file will be converted to demo.class file, right? This dot class file will be loaded by this class loader, and within that class loader we have that method area, heap area, Java stack, PC register, native stack. Okay, this class loader will be load that execute engine interpret JIT. What is the work of JIT? JIT take the line of code and compilation will be making it to faster, right? We'll discuss each and things, native interface, native libraries, and then output will become class loader. What class loader will do? What is the work of class loader? You can go here. Class loader load the class file. Okay, those .class file already compiled by Java bytecode into the JVM. Java programs are compiled into bytecode first, not machine code. The class loader reads that bytecode and make it to available JVM for execution. Right? There are three type of class loader: Bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, application class loader. What is the work of Bootstrap class loader? We can see all the things in our upcoming diagrams. You can see here dot class is there. You can see class loader having Bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, application class loader. Then you can see here this application class loader, go to verify, then prepare, then resolve, then initialize. This Bootstrap class loader loads core system library like java.lang.star. Okay, example I am going to give in. Think of it as DevOps server. Okay, setup that install core frameworks and OS packages. Okay, in DevOps server, people are what doing means core frameworks they are installing, OS package also installing. Similarly, here Bootstrap class loader loads java.lang.string, java.util.list, all the things they are loading. That is the work of Bootstrap class loader. Okay, you can think example DevOps server, what they are installing. They are means loading that OS packages. They are loading Linux OS packages. They are loading core frameworks like what frameworks are going to backend. They are loading also all the things setup they are doing. Similar example we need to understand for Bootstrap also. Bootstrap also loading the classes, fundamental classes like java.lang.string, java.util.list, all the things Bootstrap class loader are loading. Okay, similar type of example way you need to understand all those scenarios. You can see here extension class loader. What is the actual work of extension class loader? It loads additional frameworks or plugins. Loads additional frameworks or plugin. You can see here any IT company you can see there also IT team also present. Okay, they are also installing some security or some VPNs, all the things. Okay, extra things, extra frameworks or extra things they are installing or not. Similar way also extension class loader work means they are installing javax.crypto in for encryption, javafx for GUI application, etc. Okay, application class loader loads your application classes. Like we have DevOps engineer, what they are doing, deploying your microservices. Okay, right? They are deploying those DB also, DB team also there. You can see the like similar way. Okay, this application class loader, what that doing now, loads the class JVM links to ready to for execution. Okay, we'll again need to understand what is class loader, means it's important. So for that reason only I am explaining again. Okay, class loader loads the class and compile Java bytecode into JVM. Okay, and Java programs are compiled into bytecode first. Okay, then loads that class into bytecode format in our JVM. Okay, there are three types of class loader. One is Bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, application class loader. What is the work of Bootstrap class loader in real time scenario? Okay, I'm giving one example. Bootstrap class loader loads core system libraries. It is work is a load core system library, means java.lang.star, java.util.list, all those things. You just think about, we have in our company DevOps server, right? That will be AWS or that will be Azure, anything. Okay, there people are what they are doing. They are installing frameworks, JDKs, OS packages, all the things. Okay, what they are needed, those things they are installing, same as Bootstrap class loader doing here. This is the real time example we need to understand, right? Then we go to extension class loader. What is the work of extension class loader? Loads additional framework or plugin. Means I'm going to explain what is the additional framework we need to import in our system. Okay, in your company some IT team is there. Okay, what is the work of that IT team? They will provide to you security, VPN connection, right? Similarly, okay, here you can see this extension class loader giving JavaX crypto encryption GUI application for JavaFX.etc. Right? Application loader. What is the work of application loader? Loads your application classes. Means we have DevOps engineer, right? They are deploying our application in our server. That will be microservices or that will be monolithic, right? DevOps engineer are going to deploy your application in server, right? Then once that class loaded JVM ready for execution, you can see in our previous here Bootstrap class loader we need to install required things.